Good morning, traders. This is an update on my swing trade with SPXL. I entered this trade on May 20th when this daily candle broke out over the previous one. That's after the stock was making new highs and came down and touched the 50 MA line. So that's my signal to look for an entry. And then as soon as a daily candle makes a new high, that's when I get into the stock, or into the ETF in this case. So my entry is 94.37. Right now the price is closed today at 101.79. So I'm obviously in the green based off of that, but also where my stop is. My strategy with this ETF, this is not applicable to other ETFs or stocks. You have to really study the chart and see what's most likely to work for that particular stock or ETF. And in this case, I'm following the 50 MA. So right now, my stop loss is 90. If you look over here, it's actually 95.60. So I technically could move this up 1 cent. And the nice thing about Webull is so easy to do this, whether it's during hours or after hours or whatever. Right there, I'm done. Before I used to do this swing trading with Chase, and it was just a pain in the butt. So anyway, that's just a side note there. So the only thing I have to do with this swing trade is check it once a day and see where the 50 MA is and slide it up, and that's it. I'm done. So this is kind of a nice, easy way to trade if you don't have that much availability to day trade every single day, or you just don't want to day trade. Swing trading is pretty nice, but of course, you know, you can't just jump into things. You have to have a plan. You can see my plan right here, and like I said, this applies specifically to these S&P 500 ETFs. This does not necessarily work with any other ETF or stock, whether it be a growth stock or a blue chip or something like that. So you really need to study the chart, do your own homework, and figure out a plan and a strategy that makes sense for you. If you're wondering what this red line represents, that's where I think I'm going to get stopped out on this trade, which is just a couple of days away. So we'll see what happens. That's just based on what the market has been doing previously, and that's just kind of a for fun thing. Who knows if that's going to happen or not. I may get stopped out on Monday. I may get stopped out 2 weeks from now. We just don't know. The previous run was a lot longer than expected, and that was a nice trade, although I was swinging SPLG at that time because I was doing so with my Chase account, which doesn't allow you to swing SPXL. So anyway, I'm getting off topic now. So that should cover everything with my SPXL trade. I'll just quickly show you my swing trading spreadsheet, which isn't much to look at this point. I just started this on this single trade because this is the first time I'm swing trading with Webull. Before, like I said, I was swing trading with Chase. So this is a new spreadsheet, and this is the only ticker up there. I already have it highlighted in green because no matter what, at this point, I can't lose on this trade. So once we are out of the trade, then I'll fill in the rest of the information, and that's it. If you want to see, or if you want that spreadsheet, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll upload it to the Trading Armor Facebook trading group, and you can download it there. So if you have any questions about this swing trade or any other trade you see me make, just let me know. And as always, whether it be a swing trade or a day trade or a long-term investment, go into every single trade with a plan. Have a stop loss in mind, have a profit target, and no matter what, take them if they get hit, and then in the long run, you should be green. Take care.